Greetings, everyone. This is Minister Frankie here. Hope you're having a blessed day today. I want to invite you to Feed My Lambs Healing and Deliverance Outreach every last Saturday of the month. This month, the 25th of October 2025, from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the Youth First Building on 185 Brookehowse Road, Sierra Echo 6 3 Tango Tango. So that is Sierra Echo 6 3 Tango Tango. Bus route 336. This bus route will drop you outside the Youth First Building on 185 Brookehowse Road, SE6 3TT. Be there, make it a date, and be blessed. Be set free in the mighty name of Jesus. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.